We're the oldest in Canada, and possibly one of the oldest in North America. It was my father's business. I can remember when I was 14 working in the store, just helping people, and 34 years later, I'm still here. So many different facets to it, whether you're an operator for just, you want to run the trains, or you're a collector. Some people live next door to each other for years until they find out that, oh, I didn't know you were into trains. They go, oh yeah, I am too, and we'll have to get together. One of my buddies and I that I grew up with would go home after school, and my dad had rows and rows of trains in his train room. Being surrounded by all the different trains, it was fascinating. The part I love the most about it is the interaction with the people. We had Michael Douglas and Rod Stewart, Shania Twain. When you enjoy something that you do, it's not really a job. This hobby, with all the people it's drawn into, has made a really nice community that sort of help each other out. Everybody's usually quite friendly and eager to talk trains or watch trains. We have a lot of expensive little parts, and it seems the little parts go disappearing every once in a while. It's nice to have the camera system to be able to look back and see hopefully what happened. 4K resolution is critical these days. Get far more detail on somebody's face. Is so precise. It's like you were taking a family photo. There's something for anybody in the family, and it's something that the whole family can do. You see them come in generally on a Saturday morning. Part of the family will go one way in the store, and part of the family goes the other way. They'll pick up their things and meet at the counter, and off they go. And they got some stuff to do for the weekend. There's a lot of history that's gone through the doors, and some of it's still here. It's just been such an enjoyable time. My hopes for the future in the next 50 years is that the hobby will continue to grow. You may never start. So much better to start a little bit at a time. Even if you just buy one model kit, see how it goes together. Just have some fun with it and see what it's all about. George, my father, he started it all. He saw the passion. He put a lot of hours into it. His name got around so much that people just had to say, I'm going to George's.
Learn more about what Lorex can do for your business at pro.lorex.com.